Hello viewers, Vanakkam. I am Revati Dandapani from Astro Ritually. Thank you very much for the support you have given so far. If you are watching my channel for the first time, please like, share, comment and subscribe and hit the bell button. This video is for Jupiter Transit 2021-2022. It's a wonderful transit. It is human nature to expect something good will happen in every planetary transit. As per Vakya Panjangam, Jupiter transit is on 13th November 2021 and as per Tirukanitha Panjangam, it is on 20th November 2021. Jupiter is a planet of tolerance and expansive. It is associated with the sense of humor, plenty, good and bounty. Jupiter is called as Putrakarakan and Dhanakarakan. If Jupiter is placed in 2nd, 5th, 7th, 9th and 11th house, it is said to be very good. This transit is of two stages, that is regular and advanced transit. Regular transit is between 20th November 2021 and 12th April 2022. Advanced transit is 13th April 2022 to 31st July 2022. After that, Jupiter retrogrades and comes to Aquarius. In the regular transit on 20th November 2021 to Aquarius, Jupiter travels on Dhanishta 2 padams, Sadabhishak 4 padams, Purva Prashtabhada 3 padams, which are the natives of Mars, Dragon Rahu and his own. In the advanced transit to Pisces on 13th April 2022, he will be traveling on Purva Prashtabhada 4th Padam and Uttara Prashtabhada 4 Padams and he will be there till 31st July 2022. After that, he retrogrades and comes to Aquarius on September and will be there till October. This is the transit history of Jupiter. Aspect of Jupiter is favorable than his placement as his aspect is on 5th, 7th and 9th konas. Dear Scorpio sign, Scorpio ascendants ruled by Mars, Vishakam 4th Padam, Anusham, Ketai star viewers. Your 2nd and 5th house lord, Jupiter transits to your 4th house Aquarius on 20th November 2021. Expansion of family is seen. More opportunities for purchase of luxurious items and gold ornaments are seen. Your bank account will get invested profitably. Decorators, automobile engineers, architects, Vastu consultant will flourish. Scorpio moon sign must be careful that you can misjudge the correct path. As the 2nd house lord is in the 4th house, your luxuries and comforts won't have any hindrance, but you may have to face hurdles and obstacles because of the 4th house Jupiter. Fund flow will be flawless without bumps. Flexibility between family members will be good to maintain harmony. Take care of mother's health with due medical advice. Purchase of house, land and vehicle is seen bright. So, you may get easy bank loans for the same. Jupiter aspects over 8th house Gemini, 10th house Leo, 12th house Libra. Chances of sudden fund flow and lucky seen. Business, trade and career will flourish. In the workplace, trouble given by superiors will come to an end. Jealous co-workers may keep silent. Your hard work and skills will be recognized and appreciated. There won't be any hindrance to your sleep comfort. Chances for long distance travel is seen. You cannot avoid tiresome travels and unnecessary expenses on joyful occasions and celebrations in the family. Be away from court cases and controversies. From 20th November 2021 to January 1st, 2022, Jupiter travels over your sign and 6th house lord Mars native star Dhanishta 3rd and 4th Padam. It will be favorable. Chances of purchase of immovable properties is seen. You may get easy bank loans for the purchase of the properties. Enemies will run away seeing you. From 2nd January 2022 to 1st March 2022, Jupiter travels on 7th house Dragon Ragu's star Satabhishak. Partnership business will flourish. Finance from abroad, friends and relatives is seen. Friends and business partners will cooperate. Spouse relationship will be intimate with love and affection. From 2nd March 2022 to 12 April 2022, Jupiter will be in his own star Purva Proshtapada. Your fund flow will be flawless without bumps. You will be economically elevated. Family life will be harmonious. From 13th April to 31st July, Jupiter accelerates in advanced transit to your 5th house Pisces over his own star Purva Proshtapada, and on 3rd and 4th house Lord Saturn star Uttara Proshtapada. Pending marriages will be initiated and arranged. You may feel very happy. Chances of childbirth is seen for those who are expecting. Children will flourish in education and all walks of life, and you may feel proud about them. All your efforts will be successful. You will be courageous in public. Jupiter aspects over 9th house Cancer, 11th house Virgo, and your sign Scorpio. You may get the help and support from your father. You may travel long distance. Long lasting desires will be fulfilled. You can get unexpected profits also. Elder siblings will cooperate. Your skills will be honored. The advanced transit period of 5 months will be wonderful and desire fulfilling. Worship of Tiruchendur, Murugan, visiting Gurustalas like Alangudi, Ittai will be beneficial. If not possible, do visit the nearby Shiva temple to worship Lord Dakshinamurti on Thursdays. I think you like this video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe, and press the bell button to get my videos immediately. Thank you very much.